slow, looking at the clock, wondering why mama's not home. You waited way too long. You noticing the pattern in your own.